Collections are a great way to share a single URL to a number of booklets all at once. From your dashboard, tap the Collections menu, and then select a new collection. From here, you'll add in the URL for this collection of booklets. And you'll also put in a title that will appear for the collection. Once you're happy with both of these, tap the Save button, and then choose which booklets in your account you want to appear. Just drag them over to the displayed column on the left. You can also then rearrange these booklets to appear in the order you would prefer them to be displayed. Once you're happy with the order, tap Save, and your collection has been created. You can also customize and style the presentation of this collection through the Navbars tool. Here, I'll add my logo that I set in my default brand settings. I'll also make it installable, so a customer can install the collection from a launch icon of my logo on any device. And I'll add a background to make the presentation a bit more exciting. Once I'm happy with the layout and the presentation of my collection, I can tap the Publish tools and share it from the unique URL.